Well, here it is. Brand new. I used it probably 3 or 4 times. Central Pneumatic, i.e. Harbor Freight air compressor. And it runs, but it doesn't produce pressure. I had another one that I had to fix, so let's take this apart and see what's what here. Well, this is different. Used to be this was a copper pipe. Now it's rubber. That looks kind of suspicious, but we'll have to turn this on and see what's leaking. Well, I just decided to start working again. And most likely it's this thing right here doing something. And if it happens again, I'll probably take that apart, see what goes.